So it's official. My tripod is broken. It's been holding on for dear life for a while now, but it finally decided to quit on a Friday. Can you believe it? But that is not going to stop us, because today, on day 20 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are talking all about laundry. The LOL, to be exact. LOL stands for load of laundry, though it does help if you laugh while doing it. Today, to our habits, we are going to add a load of laundry every single day. Decide if you want it in the morning or the evening. However, be sure to get that done every single day. I personally do laundry 6 times a week, one every day except for the Sabbath, but I do have 2 little boys. I used to not do it on the whole entire weekend, but then on Mondays I would have so many loads to catch up on. And a load a day does keep the laundry monster away. I mean, it would be okay if it was just the washing part and the drying part, but they would have to fold and put it away too. So therefore, that's why I decided to add an additional day. But anything that works for you, you know the challenges are Monday through Friday. So if you can work a load for 5 days, that will be ideal. Otherwise, be sure to work that out in your schedule. Maybe you can do 2 medium loads in the weekdays and then none on the weekends. But just be sure that you're folding it and putting it away, because the laundry is not complete until then. That's our job. The machine does the rest. And thank God, because before there were no machines, so I had to do it all by hand. Some things that you can do to make the laundry easier, and if it's in your budget, is get a color catcher. That way you don't have to sort out the clothes. When you use the color catcher, you can wash your family's clothes together, or you can wash it by family member. It's up to you, and depending what kind of detergent you use. Because if you use one more gentle, but maybe your husband likes the stronger stuff, but you don't feel comfortable using that for your children, then you can separate it like that as well. So now we have so many habits here, and we've been stacking them up so well. I hope you have been noticing a difference. Let me know in the comments down below what is the biggest difference you have seen, because so far in the evening we have been shining our sinks, picking out our clothes, telling ourselves some kind words, checking our calendars, doing a hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute rest, checking our control journals, and going to bed on time. And in the morning, we have been dressing to shoes, again telling ourselves some kind words, 2-minute hotspot, 5-minute room rescue, 15-minute declutter, 15-minute rest, checking our calendars, checking our control journals, daily mission, and now we're adding the LOL. The room rescue and the 2-minute hotspot, you don't have to do these multiple times a day. I do because littles. But you can choose to put it either in the morning or the evening, depending if you're a morning bird or a night owl, or just depending on your schedule in general. So it's Friday. Woohoo! You know what that means. In the weekends, we're just going to keep doing our habits, and I'll meet you here on Monday for day 21 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. We are getting so far. Also, please subscribe, comment, share the videos, and all that other YouTube stuff to help me get a tripod. Thank you. It's absolutely for free, and it only takes a second. Also, it really does help to grow the channel and spread the message of love, joy, and positivity, and building our homes for the honor and glory of the Lord. And also, for those of you who have subscribed, thank you so much for all you do. Thank you for all your support. And also, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.